Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Jira reporting dashboards and filters, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Jira dashboard. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard section found in the main menu. Select the dashboard you would like to verify. Review the overall layout and widgets present on the dashboard. Ensure that the relevant filters are attached to each widget. Click on each widget to verify the data displayed. Confirm that the data aligns with your project requirements. Next, navigate to the Filters section in the main menu. Select the filter you want to verify from the list. Review the filter criteria to ensure they reflect your intended dataset. Run the filter to see the results that it generates. Check for any discrepancies in the returned results against expected data. If necessary, modify the filter criteria for accuracy. Save the changes if you make any modifications. Return to the dashboard to see how the adjustments affect the visual representation. Compare the updated dashboard with known project metrics for consistency. Finally, document any findings or adjustments made during the verification process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.